Wow. They even have it in like Chinese or Japanese or something like that. Man, this hotel is just weird. This is the elevator at the Geyser in West Yellowstone, Montana. I think this is a brand new elevator, or a mod at least. This is a newer OTIS Series 2/4 hydraulic. Cab looks brand new. I don't think this hotel's all that new. No door close button. Elevator 1, OTIS, 2,100 pound capacity. Nice cab. There's an emergency hatch or hoistway access or whatever you want to call it. No door close button, just door open. Doesn't sound like the fan is on at all. Very nice motor. Newer Series 2 or 4 fixtures. Very nice. This is not a hydro fit. Emergency light. 12 persons. There's your fire cabinet. Take us out on a trip. Very quiet door. Very nice motor. Closes quickly. There it goes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.